EXCYL Outdoor Cylinder Series from Green Creative offers versatile functionality in a robust and stylish design, featuring wall mount and surface mount installation options. EXCYL cylinders simplify specifications with all settings embedded within the product. 3 selectable CCTs and 3 selectable lumen output levels allow for full lighting customization for any space. Experience flexibility with a selection of 4 beam angles and 3 light distributions for wall mount installations. The wall mount version comes standard with an integrated photocell and override switch for added convenience. Simplify J-box wall mount installations with an included bubble level and hanging bracket, allowing for a single-person installation. EXCYL is designed to work in a wide ambient temperature range with an IP65 rating, ensuring durability and reliability in challenging outdoor environments. EXCYL family is available in 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch sizes in bronze, white, black, or silver finishes, covering lighting projects for all of your needs in education, hospitality, retail and commercial, and industrial applications. The sleek design also pairs perfectly with our PXCYL Indoor Cylinder Series, providing complete lighting solutions for both indoor and outdoor environments. Elevate your lighting with EXCYL cylinders. For more information, please visit our website www.greencreative.com or contact your local sales representative. Green Creative, your partner for professional lighting solutions.